We have set people with them
bossy.
I'm
a fisherman, man. I'm a fishing for my 16-year-old man and a 7 month now. I'm not fishing. You see me? See that I try work for me. I know I'm not fishing for the hurricane. I'm here, man. I say, man, to move up. I'm going to move up.
True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. So today I am in Parottee. Yeah man, Parottee, you don't know Hurricane Melissa passed in place here. A lot of people in distress and you know what them say them want Parottee community, all the people them free relocated. I don't know to where, but it's gonna be very hard for all those beautiful people in Parottee. So just stick and stay and tell me what you think about this, my beautiful people. If you feel them for relocated to different places in Jamaica, so it's very hard. But here so a lot of people come here, born here and grow here. A lot of people start life right in Parottee. So it's gonna be very hard for our beautiful people in Parottee. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about the Parottee area, guys. One love, one heart. Yeah man, so I go on the Parottee here, So deep is it?
So I see a water never on the side or something.
Oh, so fish now come here so?
Fish come like big barrel I think I see a water. Where you see around the sun.
So let me see so deep then.
So it means that deep right there, if you drop now so car then send and drop them, you don't know what they got and somebody else affect me.
Oh.
So deep right there, you see me?
Yeah.
So you can die too close so and go straight across so. That's how water there in so.
Yeah.
And see water so then I'm sure I when I asked that, to look to me that you know. So I said thing. I understand me I did so I see water outside and I understand. So I understand me I did there. Not true. Yeah. So I got me the hand you see me I'm still alive.
Yeah man, you see me people. So you see what I go on.
Yeah.
People them are living in our place and nobody no reach out to nobody no at all. So the people them don't even come and see what I go on. And look out for the people them same way, you know? Yeah man, this is our house you know. You can see in our room. I realize you gone straight down, it's very deep too. All different type of fish and stuff. Yeah man. We have set people with them bossy.
I'm a fisherman man, I'm a fishing for my 16-year-old man and a 7 month now I'm not fishing, you see me? See that I try work for me, I know I'm not fishing for the hurricane, I'm here man I say man to move up, I'm going to move up. I'm not on the house right now, I'm not on the house, I'm still alive. I in a hurricane, I never move, I'm going to move again, I'm going to move up.
Yeah, man,
I'm fishing, I'm fishing right now, I'm charge. A 7 month, I'm not fishing. And water don't run for the hurricane. We just get like the course, so water, bro. Water, pipeline if you run back with good charge.
Yeah.
You go where the seaweed barn and go, bro. I'm 60, I'm 49 now, bro.
Yeah.
I'm never move, I'm not move, bro.
Yeah.
I see me, I go, so I pack them and fix up right now. We go fishing. 7 months, I'm not fishing, I'm not get up on nobody, I don't know, bro. Survive, I'm family member, and come by my and pat take me go back and see, bro.
So miss, so want the people them Mr. Andrew want to take a trip down in a Parottee.
We don't
talk to your people them.
Government for we don't see government. I don't know where them block off in top, bro. You know come look for me and say I know them 5 give me no see, bro.
Yeah.
I don't pass on charges, me. Yeah, survival, we are in survival. Me fight the weather. I don't know me get not me not get.
Yeah.
Me fight the weather, me in there in hurricane. 30 hours in there in hurricane. And we swim and we survive. I will still swim again. They say me swim because I been swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so, I see me born here.
So the year general I say
and I see
you still survive same way and you need some assistance in that place.
Yeah, I still survive
some positive vibes.
7 months I survive same way.
Yeah.
And I pay family 7 months I survive said you want to say 2 pot to get 2 fish got it. And we don't get a license same way. If you go pan show that pan see a problem same way, you see me?
Yeah.
So I know they not can check for you, bro.
Yeah, for them people that really know about say farming, fishing
anyway.
Fishing, you know?
Elder for me 16, me a fishing, I'm a 49-year-old. Me no have no education, so you see a fishing in my mind.
Yeah.
And when I go see me make money, me make 100,000 one day then. One pot I give me all 20 grand, then me tell him then, bro.
You see
That me
people,
know, bro.
yeah man, people that make them pot, they still survive same way.
One pot of 50 grand. You see me? One roll of wire 20 grand. If you set up one roll of wire 100 grand.
Yeah.
You understand when they go see them gone, see them man still survive. See coast guard them they still every day, see there.
You see them people, see there? Coast guard them a pass through. Yeah man, family come a Parottee. You never hear of nothing about my Parottee like nothing. So I want to reach out to the people in the Parottee.
Today they 10 million and that whole of my house gone, I'm not seeing nothing more close.
And nobody reach out to you until today.
I know me not get nothing at 10 million I could have gone to my family member. 10 million today. One match up on the up, 10 million today. My house gone, everything gone. I'm get a little bed with me asleep on.
Yeah.
Everything gone, father. I want suit me save. I'm there in a hurricane. And the family member then left them out them mash up and people that start build back. So I look at things the father God maybe have some family member are firing. Maybe not dead for hungry.
Yeah.
Me? Yeah.
So the people, I know hear what I go on. I know hear what I go on in the Parottee. Say if you don't can reach out to even me, no matter how small it be.
Yeah.
As you see me talk to you general the same way. You still can send something to me same way so I can donate to the people them and survive.
Me not get dollar and I sit down.
Just reach out to me same way. Other people around here are in a whole of distress.
Yeah man.
And them not get no assistance from the government.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. So anybody over the world who want to reach out and still can.
I see there's some white people can cook food called you chicken out. I don't want to cook chicken feet.
Yeah.
I bet they can stack all with the aisle. Can we get 2 fish and eat, bro?
The people that want some care package same way. Water. Water is life.
Care package, that's how we want.
Yeah man, water is life. You know?
Remember saying no? Black River no supermarket and no town again, you know?
Yeah.
We not no town, I no supermarket again.
None at all. So we are Santa Cruz now.
We are Santa Cruz, I Mandeville we have to go.
Yeah.
I Junction. Yeah, nothing there Black River, nothing there for we go for nothing. Nothing you can get. You see me I say Charlie? I tell you.
Yeah man.
I feel years again.
So that make it even worse.
That make it even worse.
Yeah man. So you know here I go on the people. You don't have to come out. You watch you see TV every day. You watch TV every day but you have to come in a Parottee to see what go on. You have to come right in a Parottee to see what take place with the community. A lot of people are distressed the same way. About after 7 months after Hurricane Melissa, people still not get no relief and
no relief. Man, we end there.
No relief.
Yeah. At 30 I will fight Hurricane again.
Yeah.
And him fight it. 30 I will fight and who never fight it again. I run me have to run.
Yeah.
Run me have to run.
Fan you can't see say no normal, none at all. None at all, no normal. None at all.
I see you just come out, the one big scene you see just rise and come over up and we.
Yeah.
So you see if a family member never go right there and that journey. But it's, as you see you rise by say 12 o'clock, I see by 3 o'clock, go back down.
So
drop back.
So straight to Hurricane there, straight to.
In a man, when I go up, say me go boil cup, I just see one heartbeat come and start fighting, and fight and lick off the host of my brain and with the barrel so. I saw me that the water just catch me on my throat, I'm just zoom. And me that me around the water, they see him place, I'm just run and talk up for a higher rising so. I saw me go for the next higher rising.
Yeah.
I plan to go higher and higher. I run, yes, when me go, if you can't run, go up to the water, they up to the same way. And look, it does stop and it does draw down and it does come down and walk out and drop in some old body shit. You see me I say? So by the next morning, it come like, the water never there, can I see flat back and the water run go straight back so.
Yeah.
Everything mash up, every TV, everything, nobody don't have nothing around here. That's a seaside Parottee me I tell about, but on the beach side me I talk about. Me I talk on the roadside, on the seaside. Father, you see me I say?
Yeah man, so you see man I tell you a story and not normal happen in Parottee.
I thought you have been there in the community down on the beach as well.
Yeah.
I thought you have to fight for your life and I'm here alone. Thought you have to fight.
And you survived.
I know never dead.
Alright sir.
Afterward, why you go down at the thing there and go give your life down there. Go in night and you shouldn't go in night. You understand me?
Yeah.
And the world will survive, said we. I will have to swim. Charge it then.
Let me give them an interview so you know me I say, I can reach out to Fire Reid same way, no matter how small. Any donation you can give same way.
Yeah man.
You can reach out to me and I can still deliver it same way. You don't know me? Fire Reid. All about over the place, so just reach out same way. Alright, my people? Yeah, man, so I'm giving a tour same way in the beach side. I walk the beach and show you how I go and beautiful people. Yeah, man. Catch a piece of water around us, you know? Yeah, man, so I go on and see when people say people them are stressed same way. So the people them need some reassurance right now in a Parottee. I'm telling you, some reassurance they need in a Parottee. Not just I hear negative stuff, they want to hear some positive thought about Parottee too. Yeah man, see it there? Boss say sometimes some big barracuda come here, so you know. Man, see what I go on the same way. And so Parottee look like after 7 months after Hurricane Melissa. So you can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area, guys. Yeah man, straight over there, so you can go to the Pelican Bar.